have a 99 F350 7.3 diesel here that's decided it doesn't want to start anymore, and it seems to be doing something a little bit different to what I've ever come across before. So I'm going to do this so that you can see what's happening. Yesterday it was 24 degrees. We needed to use the truck. It didn't get plugged in overnight, which it should have done, and I just think that's unnecessary cranking, but it is what it is. So it was cold, we tried to start it, it wouldn't start. We decided to leave it, come back a couple of hours later, leave it plugged in. When we came back a couple of hours later, it wouldn't start. But it's a bit different because it cranks, but it sounds like something's cutting it out. So we'll see what happens. It's 46 degrees right now. We've got lights, so you can see that steering wheel's in the way, but and that's what it does. So something cuts it. It's like it wants to start, but something's cutting it out, but I don't know what. So if anybody's got any ideas, I'd be very grateful. It's a good truck. It just had a new transmission on it 2 months ago, so that hurt the budget a little bit. So I'm hoping whatever this is isn't too costly. Thanks.